Hello, we are back with another iPhone tutorial. I love doing these because they feel more casual and also it gets me out of the studio and I don't have to do this huge camera setup. It's literally just my phone. I'm gonna be doing a hair tutorial today. You guys have been requesting that I do my wavy hair tutorial and I'm pleased to announce it's very easy. All you need is a waver. This one is called Babe Waves and I love it. I've used wavers back in the day, like high school days. And some of them can be a little cheese ball, like the wave looks kind of crazy, but this one looks really nice. We're gonna go ahead and start off by parting the hair so that I have the bottom section here. Super simple. Okay, and then I'm just gonna clip it. Today I'm gonna be using any hairspray that has like a flexible, nice hold. Sometimes I'll use the Balmain hairspray that's a little bouge, I know, but I love it. And today I'm going to use the Bumble and Bumble flexible hold hairspray. So it's important to hairspray each piece. I just feel like it makes the waves look a lot better and more uniform, and I also like to brush the waves out at the end, and when I hairspray it, it makes it a lot nicer and less frizzy. So from root to tip, I am going to add a little hairspray. This one's super fine, like not a very sticky hairspray. It's nice. Brush it through. Grab this thing. I know it's aggressive, but all you do is clamp your hair in it. It does all the work. You just have to stand there for a while. I have individual extensions, so I keep it off my root because if I put it closer to my root, I will melt my keratin tip beads, and I don't want to do that. I've done it before. It was tragic. And then you just move down. Boom. Of course, the longer you hold it, the more defined the wave is. How pretty. Mermaid hair. Sometimes I'll leave a little bit of the ends out and sometimes I will just kind of give it a little kiss. Boom. You see that? So simple. It literally did all the work for me. You just have to go like this. Sometimes I'll do this on straight hair and then other days I will sleep with my hair in a braid because I'm lazy to blow dry it. And once I take my hair out of the braid, I'll just touch up pieces instead of blowing it out and doing all this extra heat. That is my lazy girl hairstyle. And it's also my vacation hairstyle. I never blow dry my hair on my tropical vacations because then I get upset when I want to go in the water and it kind of like holds me back from going in the water because I'll be thinking, oh my God, I just spent all this time giving myself a blowout and I'm just gonna mess it up. And that is no way to live, my friends. I will just let my hair do its natural thing and then use this to touch up mostly just the front pieces. I love this waver, it's so good. Look at that. This hairspray is actually really nice for this. It's so fine. And my eye patches, if anybody's wondering, are just H2O OASIS water-infused hydrogel masks. I don't know if I said this already, I may have, but I am getting ready for an event tonight. I don't know what I'm gonna wear yet. I kind of have an idea of how I want my hair and makeup, but outside of that, I'm like, how many of you decide your hair and makeup before you decide your outfit? Or do you guys decide your outfit and then go from hair and makeup after? I think you should decide your outfit first and then base your hair and makeup off of that. There's certain tops that you don't want to wear your hair down. It makes more sense to have your hair up. But I swear I always start with my makeup first and then frantically after I'm done getting ready, I try to figure out what I'm gonna wear. Most of the time that's how I get ready, but I'm curious to know what you guys do. On this side. This hairstyle is gonna be my hairstyle all summer. Boom. I'm using my makeup light here. Last time I did an iPhone tutorial, you guys know I duct taped this little chingadera of a light. It kept trying to fall on me. It gives really nice neutral light. It's not all like orange or too blue. So one thing is I will take pieces about this thick on the bottom layer, but then when I get closer to the top, I like to take smaller, maybe half of this size of hair, because I kind of love the like tiny wispy waves up top that aren't so like chunky. Well, I'll switch up the sizes once I get to the top. I can't believe how many people said that they weren't sure if they could achieve this hairstyle, but trust me, look at this, how easy this is. What I love, it's not like a curling iron where you have to curl it the right way. It's literally just like, you put it in here and boom. Yes, bitch. I'm just gonna take one more section down. goal for the day is not to be late, which I'm not even sure I know how to do these days. It's hard not to be late to an event because events, nobody gets there on time. It's not like a meeting where you know you should be on time. It's like, anytime I have an event, I tell people get there an hour earlier than I actually want them to get there because I know these hoes ain't showing up till 2.5 hours late. If you pull the hair, make it a little taut right here, I feel like it gives a deeper wave. I'm happy you guys like these iPhone videos because I really feel so much more comfortable and myself and in my own environment and out of the studio. It's a little bit easier to film the content because I don't have to have this huge setup. I do love a good setup, but I'm also kind of like, I don't need it every time, you know? Look how bouncy this is, you guys. Does that not look like a Pantene Pro-V commercial? Tell me. So pretty. They do sell wavers like this on Amazon. However, I'm not trying to upsell you guys on this waver. I'm just saying, I've tried wavers like that look exactly like this, exactly the same color, and I felt like they were different. That was a while back, so I don't know. I don't know if they've like improved or what, but this one is the one that I have. And actually, this is the one Glenn Coco used on me when he did my hair in the south of France, and it's the only reason why I got it because I loved how my hair looked, and this is what he used, so I was like, I need that one. What's great about this hairstyle also is that it lasts forever. Like, you could wear it for a few days, this stays in, especially if you really take the time to section and hairspray each piece. Mine looked perfect when he did it for days. I think it was like a total of 5 days, so that was that bitch. I'm gonna grab a little bit of a thinner piece here. So what's everybody up to? How's it going? Summer is like here, and the weather is hot now. I came back from Mexico and it was like 107 degrees the first day. I was shooketh by how fucking hot it is here. Sorry, I said fucking. Now that I'm in a more casual setting, I feel more casual with my words. Bum, 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 bum. So Netflix shows I've been watching. I feel like this is a fun conversation. When They See Us, amazing, powerful, emotional, hard to watch, but very, very important to watch, I think. Dead to Me, so funny. I don't know how to explain it, but it's really, really good. My mom watched it and told me to watch it, and then everybody started telling me to watch it, and I loved it. So Dead to Me on Netflix is good. Big Little Lies is really good. It's on its 2nd season now, and if you haven't seen it, you should see it. It's an HBO show though. Those are my recommendations for today. Do you guys see these broken hairs? It's a tragedy. I always get broken hairs in the front. I have very weak bangs. Well, now I have bangs for sure. Probably gonna put a little bit more blonde in my hair, so I might break even more, honestly, but they're already broken, so might as well go for it. Okay. I wonder how long this is if I just record all the way through and don't stop. Because this is a pretty quick hairstyle to do, I feel like. I really miss the days when I used to get ready with my girlfriends. I feel like that doesn't happen anymore. Like, everyone's grown and nobody wants to bring their shit to their friend's house. It's like a hassle. And like, you just want to be in the comfort of your home getting ready with all your own shit. But I really, really miss the days when you'd all pick a house to get ready at and you would be like drinking together, getting ready together. It just doesn't happen like that anymore. Me and my friends, when we used to get ready together in front of the closet mirror, we would be drinking, pre-gaming, drinking like Sky vodka because, you know, we would just have so much fun. And I remember the most fun we had was getting ready. Like, going out was cool, but getting ready was just the best part. Taking pictures together, that was so fun. I feel like nobody wants to get ready together anymore. Everyone's like, no, my house is at my shit. I want to get ready here, which I get. I mean, I want people to come get ready at my house with my shit. I don't want to go anywhere. The frizzier your hair, I swear, like a little bit more hairspray is always good. I love doing my hair before I do my makeup because I always run out of time for my hair. I will never run out of time for my makeup because you don't just run out of time for your makeup. Like, you finish every step regardless. Whereas my hair, if I'm running out of time, I'll throw it up in like a sloppy hairstyle and it doesn't look cute. So now it's time to do the front of the hair. Here we go. I'm not not gonna lie, the front for me, because I have so many short hairs, is tricky. If you don't have short hairs, you'll be fine. See, like these broken hairs. Take my broken wings. I'm gonna start right about there. Don't like to hold the front pieces too long because I like them to be a little bit more relaxed in the front. Okay, that's pretty good. Feeling good about that. Grab this piece over here. So really the same concept, I'm just taking slightly tinier pieces here. And what's cool is that if you don't want the waves to be super defined, like I said, you could go really quickly through it. Like this one I went a little quicker and it's still defined, and you could go quicker than that and make it look more of like a slight wave, softer wave. I think I'm on the last piece of hair. No. Oh no, that one's curled. You know when you forget one hair, it's like ruins everything, so you have to really be careful. Kind of got lazy on this last crimp, and you can tell here.
Yes.
Yeah, Mama? What are you doing?
Guess what?
What?
Remember your little tennis shoes with the same material as your little dress?
Yeah?
They're coming back. Almost grown up.
Look at my hair, Mama.
Very pretty. I love the... Oh, it's very perfect. How about here? Have you done this?
Is it frizzy?
Just a little bit.
I was trying things on and I didn't like anything, and so I gave up and started my hair because I felt like maybe I'll have time to think about, you know, and my hair gives me a different vibe.
So pretty.
It's so easy. Look, are you watching?
Yeah, I'm watching.
You just go down, and you have to put hairspray in every piece though, and then brush it because it looks like less frizzy.
Yeah. Look how pretty.
I'm not gonna do the end of that one so it blends better. Now we have done all the waves. Look at this. Hopefully I got the back good. Did I, guys? Boom, boom, boom. Let me say well. Boom, boom, boom. So I'm gonna give it one last little spritz. I don't want any of the chunks together, so especially right here. Pulling it apart, running my fingers through it lightly. Sometimes I'll brush it out as well, but I think I like the pieciness of the way this looks right now. And sometimes I'll get a curling iron in here, like a really skinny one, and add different textures just so it breaks it up, but I really love how it came out today. So that's it, guys. Super simple. I'm gonna go do my makeup now and finish getting ready for the event. I won't be filming that because I've actually run out of time now doing this hair, per usual. So I will see you guys in the next video. Adios, bye.